All right, greetings to you, everyone here. It is a sad moment, but I bring you this message here. Chinecherem, the young youth, the young boy whom Okwuluora went to save or rescue, just passed on this morning. And I want to use this opportunity to remind those who were criticizing Okwuluora then. Okwuluora may not be an angel, and I don't okay to all his activities. Everybody has one fault or the other. But I expected those people who were criticizing Okwuluora, who were unleashing their anger on Okwuluora and thereabout, I expected them to have find a possible means to rescue Chinecherem for that kidney transplant so that young man will be alive. But all of you ended your strength at the comment section. All of you ended it at the comment section. What a people. Because you want to rescue Umuoma's name, somebody was kidnapped and you built upon it instead of you to condemn that act in totality. Omi Homa mepozoya, Omi Hojo mepozoya, as you supported what happened to Okwuluora. And that has led to the death of these young youths. Every day in Imo State we encounter this kind of things. Those of you who were supporting before, the actions of Umuoma, what stops you from rescuing this young man? Calamity befalls you in this same manner. Nevertheless, you are not my problem. My message goes directly to Umuoma. You guys have done very, very well. And that's why you ought to set everywhere on fire. If he loss is coming into the community, then there is need for you to go after the he loss. Butonyeni anime, keyeriri, a public person whose name might cause damage to you people. After Nara his people ego. I want to ask you people, the supporters of evil, what happened to the traditional ruler of Ihube? The traditional ruler in charge of the territories of Ihube in Okigwe, what happened to him? In Omaka, all the traditional rulers, I repeat, where are they? Igbo may be going Ebube. It might be that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's intention might be very genuine and okay. Then who hijacked it? The person who hijacked it, now, what was his interest or his intentions? Ibu Momi no di moya, but the person who claimed he came to save you had $1 million in his account in Finland. In his own family, was he able to rescue his uncles from dying? Only one of his sisters, Kadendo. But he had $1 million in his account in Finland. Sorry, I'm not talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let your brain help you. Just for his own personal gain. Lay condition on her primo state, lay condition on her promo. He drives on the best cars in Finland, and you are in the bush. Igbo totalia. The same Igbo ahụ wiki to ego wee save Chinecherem. A son of the great Shanamite who lives amongst the angels. All of you that are involved in this kind of manner of evil and supporting this kind of evil. Today will the day mbido nsogbu gị jiri bido. Mark today's date. I have said this over and over countless time. Except menwe hu chukwu na-echi Igbo, your end ebidogo, your calamity ebidogo. And for those of you who wants to be saved out of those camps, you have option. Go to the Catholic priest, any Catholic priest around you, or any preacher of goodwill, or even to any good traditional ruler. Go and tell them that you're out of that camp. If you're afraid of them, Youe give up from that thing in him. That thing is evil. It has just claimed the life of another youth. The other day, 3 youths were gone down. Today, the young man on the sick bed, no help again from anywhere because you people ganged up, mobilized. The man who is in charge, Uncle Yaburi Anaya, the money. Today, people have won lottery. And to those who support this kind of evil, wait for your own day. It comes to you. My name is Governor Youe, son of the great Shanamite. Olilanya, we must speak the truth regardless of anything.